So guys, this is the part 2. As you can see, I've actually made it to the next level, which is awesome. So, we're gonna be doing this. I get a little mad sometimes, but otherwise I'm kind of like just chill about these things. So, as I was saying in the first part, this is the highest I've ever made it. Like, even before, this is the highest I had made it. Where am I going again? Okay, yeah. So I have to go to these claws and jump on this. I fell. I'm so annoyed, man. I hope you guys can stick around for this video because it's a pretty long, it's pretty long, but it's gonna be worth it eventually. Shark's mouth. See, that's what is sketchy. Holy moly, I almost fell. Yes, I made it. Okay, so this is actually officially the farthest I've ever made it, and the only of. So I don't know where I really am. Yo, what is this place? Yo, this is a kind of construction map. This is sick. I'm gonna go here. I've lost a couple things on the way, but wait, was it? No. So, oh, that was like actually really easy. Wait, is that it? That was super easy. Like, thank you. Like, that was super easy, man. They actually made it an easy level. So, I don't know where we are now. I think this may be the last level. Yo, what? This is like a laser maze, what? I don't want to touch any of these. I'm not going through there? Oh, yes, I have to. What do I have to do? Okay, there's none above me. So I'm just gonna wait until that goes around once. What is this? Yo, what is this, bro? Where do I have to go? Okay, that's gonna come. I don't know what to do. Oh, shoot. Did I get it? No, I didn't. You are a shining star. You are a shining, okay, it's just, oh, okay, so I went up there. The signs that could be like leaks or something almost. Like, what does "you're a shining star" mean? Like, maybe there's a new monster coming into the game. That's what my original thoughts were that was gonna happen for this update. But there's an only up now, which is actually pretty sick. So it looks like we have officially made it to the end of the only up. This did not take me a long time, to be honest. I thought it would take me like days almost to get it. So